Hello everyone. I wanted to share a new toy I got today. Actually an early Christmas present from my brother, Billy. Thank you very much. He knows what I've been getting into here, making tools and stuff, and it's pretty cool of him. But with this, which is technically a mini metal lathe, I will be able to be much more accurate with my tips for my new tool. These are the inserts for the tips, and the reason why, first thing, you can see that's slightly off that way. Then secondly, you can see the hole, it's fatter on this side, so it isn't centered good. So when this was on my lathe this way, I have a drill that goes on there and drills in. It's not accurate enough. My tailstock, it wobbles. But with this, I'll be able to put this in here, the Delrin, or whatever. I can put wood in there too. And then put my chuck on that and drill perfect holes. You can see this is a wooden one. It's just not perfect. It's heavy on that side. I mean, it looks good in the center, but when the drill bit's going through there, it's not perfect. So that's the big reason. So that way these are going to be perfect, which I don't know. I may phase the Delrin out. To be honest, I hate working with it. I really do. I'd rather make everything out of wood. But I also can make my handles on there too, which this one here, it's not perfectly centered either. Drives me nuts. This side's fine. This side, no, it walked off. But not anymore. But I'm going to start making these with aluminum rod. And this thing, it's a 3-foot rod. And it'll slide in the back. It goes through. So I can put the entire 3 foot in there. Let's just say that much. I've never worked with a metal lathe or anything like this, so this is all new and first time to me. And then this is variable speed. It goes forward and reverse, and it also has a function automatic feed. There's a switch back here that if you want to set an automatic feed where you can turn bolts, screws. Yeah, she's a little out of round there. Imagine that from the home store. Or I don't think I had that chucked up good. Let's try that again. Yeah, that's better. Still the bar itself on the left side here. Over here it's a little wobbly. But you guys can see I gotta get this thing mounted to a bench. If that moves, this will move back and forth manually. Like I said, it has a automatic feed. But all this stuff I'll have to play with. Tailstock. Let's turn her up. 700, 12, 13, 14. It goes up to 2,500. It reminds me of the Bionic Man intro. Automatic emergency stop. But yeah, it has a forward reverse. Came with some tools. Like I said, I've never used these tools. They're just certain bits. So I'll have to watch some YouTube videos, learn it. Come with a light. It come with metal gears. A little oil can. So there you have it. But I'm definitely going to love this, especially the accuracy of it. So there you go. Take it easy.